Welcome to Navigating US Visa Annotations, a complete guide. In this video, we will explore how to understand and navigate the world of US Visa Annotations. In this video, we will cover the following topics. First, we'll dive into understanding visa annotations. Next, we'll analyze a specific visa situation and discuss potential issues. We'll then explore recommendations for visa holders, and finally, review important considerations. Let's get started. To start off, let's understand what visa annotations are and their significance. When a U.S. visa is issued, it may include annotations, which are specific notes or restrictions. These annotations provide clarity on the visa's purpose and limitations. For instance, a B1/B2 visa for business and tourism might include an annotation specifying the reason for travel or the location of permitted activities. Moving on to a real-life scenario, we have an individual with a B1/B2 visa, valid for 10 years and allowing multiple entries. However, there is an annotation on the visa concerning the NPTE exam in Guam. The individual's aim is to take the exam in New York instead. Quiz time. What does the annotation on a visa typically specify? Here are your options. A. Purpose of the visa. B. Expiration date. C. Multiple entry allowance. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is A. Purpose of the visa. Annotations often clarify the visa's purpose and any specific conditions or settings attached to it. There are potential issues related to the annotations. First, note that the visa's purpose is specifically linked to the NPTE exam in Guam. So taking the exam in New York could contravene the terms specified in the annotation. This, in turn, might lead U.S. Customs and Border Protection officers at the port of entry to deny entry if they think the individual isn't adhering to the visa's specified purpose. Here are some recommendations for individuals facing similar issues. First, it's important to carefully examine the visa to understand the exact wording of the annotation and its limitations. Second, reaching out to the U.S. Embassy or consulate for clarity can help determine whether the annotation restricts travel to other locations for the exam. Lastly, if the annotation is found to be restrictive, applying for a new visa that specifies the purpose of travel, such as taking the NPTE exam in New York, might be necessary. Some important considerations involve understanding that the location does not impact the NPTE exam's difficulty. Hence, irrespective of where you take the exam, focusing on preparation is crucial. Additionally, consult a legal professional for personalized advice regarding visa-related matters. Let's recap the key takeaways from this video. First, understanding visa annotations is crucial for ensuring compliance with the visa's purpose. It's also important to analyze these annotations carefully to avoid potential travel issues. Lastly, when in doubt, always consult with the embassy or consulate for guidance. Thank you for joining us in this detailed guide on navigating U.S. visa annotations. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We'd love to hear about your experiences or questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care.